Hi, this is Yuri, and welcome to Blau Parts. This is a quick product overview for the coolant that we have available from RAVENOL that meets the Audi and Volkswagen G13 coolant specification. The RAVENOL LGC concentrated coolant features OEM approval from Volkswagen for the VW TL 774J coolant quality specification, also known as G13 coolant. The G13 coolant was introduced in 2013 and is currently the newest and most up-to-date coolant formulation recommended by Volkswagen for all Audi and VW engines. One of the major benefits of the G13 coolant is that it is backwards compatible to all coolant specs Audi and VW used previously. So this means that it can be mixed with the earlier G12s, G12 Plus, and G12 coolant specifications. Another cool aspect about RAVENOL that really confirms the high quality level of these products is they are an official supplier to Audi Sport Customer Racing for these coolants in Germany. Currently, the RAVENOL LGC Coolant is the only coolant recommended by Audi Sport Customer Racing for servicing the Audi RS3 LMS race cars. And then it was also supplied and recommended for servicing all the Audi Sport TT Cup race cars back when that series was raced. RAVENOL LGC Coolant is 100% made and bottled in Germany. We carry these coolants in both the concentrate and the premixed version. A lot of our customers really like the premix due to the convenience of not having to worry about mixing the coolant to the proper coolant and deionized water mixing ratios. We have it available as you see it here in the 1.5 liter bottles and the 5 liter jug. The 5 liter jugs are great for doing complete coolant system flushes. Most G13 specification coolants sold here in the States are only a 1 gallon, which is 3.78 liters. So with the 5 liter jugs, you're actually getting 1.2 liters more coolant when compared to the 1 gallon jugs sold by other brands. So that's a quick product overview for the RAVENOL LGC coolant in accordance to the Audi and VW G13 coolant specification. If you have any other questions or for more information on the Audi and VW coolant specs that we do have available for you, feel free to give us a call or visit our website at blauparts.com. Thanks for watching.